Oh god, I just woke up and excited na ako i-unbox ang bago kong phone, ang Cherry Mobile Titan Pro. It's not their current flagship phones, it's the Cherry Mobile Z2 Octa-core 1, yun yung kanilang flagship. Unfortunately, I didn't want one, pero at least I got the Titan Pro. So yeah, we have sa Titan Pro, 4.2 Jelly Bean, 5.0-inch HD OGS display, 12 megapixel camera with flash, and then front camera that's 5 megapixel, 3G that's HSP plus 1.2 gigahertz quad core processor. I guess it's the 6589. There's a 4 gig internal storage with 1 gig of RAM, Bluetooth 4.0 and wireless LAN. There's a 3.5mm audio jack and micro USB, blah blah blah. Dual SIM din siya, basically the boring part na yan. So yeah, tara, unbox na natin ang Cherry Mobile Titan. Hey guys, so I'm back. Pagbigyan nyo na ako, nawawala yung tripod ko, so I have to use my other tripod. So nandito lang tayo sa side ngayon. So this is the Cherry Mobile Titan Pro with a G Pen. There's like the Galaxy Note, there's a G Pen, a gesture pen with some features that you would probably like. So yeah, let's unbox. We have the Cherry Mobile Titan Pro here, pero nilagay ko na yung battery dyan, so no need to open ko pa rin siya mamaya, just para makita nyo kung ano meron dito sa Cherry Mobile Titan Pro. Anyway, so yeah, let's unbox muna. Unboxing the phone. Ayan. So we have the charger. Oh, minimalistic na yung charger nila. So unlike the previous Cherry Mobile chargers, maliit na lang yung ginagamit nila ngayon. So I'll show it to you guys. Masira ko na agad yung plastic. Yan, ganyan na lang siya. Oh. Maliit na lang siya. It has an output of 1000 milliamperes. Yan. So yeah. Anyway, we have the USB and to micro USB to USB. Ayan. So medyo mahaba naman siguro to. I don't care. We have the earphones. In-ear siya. Ayan. Looks pretty good. And then of course we have the Titan Pro manual. Yeah. I think that's it. So yeah, let's try out the Titan Pro. So sabi ko nga, actually maganda yung display sa OGS display. So nakasulat na dito specs niya sa Jelly Bean 4.2, 1.2 GHz quad core processor, 12 megapixel camera with flash back, 5.0-inch HD OGS display, 4 gig of RAM, 1 gig of RAM, HSPA plus, with 2150 milliamperes of battery. So speaking of battery, pakita ko muna sa inyo ang battery inside the Cherry Mobile Titan Pro. Yeah. Yan, napindot ko pa. Tayin ko muna. No. So medyo mahirap siya buksan, pero that's actually pretty good kasi hirap siya buksan kasi napaka-solid ng phone. I mean, wala siyang squeaks. Sobrang hirap niya buksan kasi yan, natanggal. Yan, hindi mo kalit. What they call that? Kasi talagang solid na solid yung likod niya, unlike the other Cherry mobile phone. So sa likod, we have the removable 2150 milliamperes of battery. There's the SIM card niya, SIM 1 and SIM 2. I'm not sure yet, but I guess it's a regular SIM card. I guess yung SIM 2, it's micro SIM. I guess so, kasi nandito yung kanyang pins. Micro SD, but I won't use that. Yeah, let's, zoom. Yan. So, yeah. This is the yung likod ng Cherry Mobile Titan Pro. So, yeah, that's it for the back. Since na-unbox na natin, tanggalin na natin yung speaker ng Cherry. Actually, yeah. Ayan. Ayan ang papakita ko sa inyo. Sa totoo lang, hindi pa masyadong sarap pag nilagay nyo yun. Kailangan nyo pa i-push down to. Ayan. So, talagang napaka-solid ng phone kasi ang hirap niya talaga isara. Ang hirap din niya ibuksan. So, yan. Kailangan pa i-push down para lang completely na masara yung likod, yung back cover. Ayan. So, I guess, napaka-solid niya. So, yeah. Let's remove the plastic na Ayan, so what's this? Actually, the front reminds me of the HTC One Pro. HTC One Pro. HTC One actually, had this white lines sa baba. Pero, it's definitely different. It's using the start screen na ginamit rin sa Flare HD. I'll just tone down the brightness kasi medyo mataas. Ayan, so actually medyo malinaw pa din. On the front, we have a 3 buttons na dito. It's a capacitive with ano yan? Ito lang may bleeding yung backlight niya dito. Sa part na to. I'll just yan. If you can notice, meron siyang bleeding na backlight dito. Ayan, meron doon. Pero it's not really an issue for me. I guess dito lang sa phone na to sa akin. So yeah, we have the medyo sleek yung design niya because it looks like the HTC One. We have the 5 megapixel camera up here, speakerphone, what else? 5-inch OGS display that looks quite good. Yeah, it's HD, so nonetheless maganda talaga siya. Okay, just turn it off. Sa likod we have the plastic as expected. It's not glossy. It's like well, ano ba tawag dito? I forgot what they call that. The speaker grill here, the 12 megapixel camera. Try natin mamaya with the LED flash. So at the sides we have the power button, and on the other side we have the volume rocker. So micro USB, blah blah, and 3.5mm audio jack. Pero what set this thing different sa other Cherry mobile phones is that it has a gesture pen. Or yes, a Wacom, I guess. With pressure sensitivity, you can draw a lot. You can draw notes and some stuff dun sa home screen. Yan. It's capacitive. I'll show it to you mamaya if gagaya sa other phones. We have doodle here, so para makapag doodle or drawing kayo, mga anything that you like. Sabihin natin Jerome Ancheta. Blah 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 blah. Ayan. So, mapapansin nyo, meron siya pressure sensitivity. Ayan, so pag madiin, mas dark yung kanyang kulay. Yeah. So, meron pa tong button dito. So, just like the Galaxy Note. Actually, hindi siya gumagana doon sa capacitive button. So, talagang pindot siya sa capacitive button. Pero sa screen, gumagana siya, of course. Ayan. So, mga gestures lang yan. Shortcut search by pressing the button, then pag-press ng line doon sa baba. Then, I'm not sure. Meron pa tong other features eh. Actually, I don't know lang kung paano. Medyo hindi pa ako sanay. Medyo alamin ko pa yung mga shortcut dito sa Cherry Mobile Titan Pro. Ayan, so hindi ko pa alam. Pero yeah, I can draw sa notepad, I guess. No, let's No, I can't draw sa notepad. I guess dun lang tayo sa Doodle app. Basically, you feel niya it's less, well, medyo mas madulas to unlike the Galaxy Note kasi wala siyang texture. I mean, yung display niya, and then glossy yung kanyang tip. So, pag inano sa dito, hindi mo feel na pen. Pero, it's actually good. Okay pa rin sa akin para makapag swipe and draw a lot of things. Of course, bago na tayo dyan, since nandito tapos na tayo dito sa gesture pen, which we will discover more on sa review ko at Jam Online. We have the NU Mobile Security. I don't know what that is, so let's check it out. Okay, backup, contacts, financial security, blah blah blah. I don't need that. Okay, so there's the blacklist, the browser, calculator, Cherry Mobile font, blah 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 blah. Basically, we saw all that sa other phones than Cherry Mobile. KakaoTalk, it's pre-installed. There's Pinoy App Shop, so basically yung mga Pinoy apps you want to download or whatever. There's Vault 2. I don't know what that is. Para din siya sa NQ Mobile Vault. It's a top secret. Or text, Facebook. So, siguro if may third party kayo or may tinatago kayo, just use that, the Vault. I don't know. I haven't seen that yet. I have to see that feature yet. There's picture edit. Okay, so, no. Let's take a photo. No, sabihin natin ito. Yan, so sabihin natin. I'm not sure what that. Let's check it out. Okay, so basically it's like What? Okay. Okay. It's good. Doodle. There's Doodle too. I like that. Hello, baby. So, if you can see, meron tayo, pero meron, just like the Galaxy Note, marami din siyang pens. I don't know kung ano, pen, marker, pencil, highlighter, whatever, yeah. So, I think that's it for the hands-on and unboxing ng Cherry Mobile Titan Pro. So, if you like this video, dumarating na yung tren na maingay, give us a thumbs up kahit may tren sa likod. And if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo. At, well, you can see that at the bottom of the page sa youtube.com/jamonlinevlog. So once again, I'm Jam of DroneMancheta.com, and thanks for watching the unboxing and hands-on of the Cherry Mobile Titan Pro. Bro.